Are the fish them that?
Yeah. Right. Dripping, dripping, dripping. Yeah.
May I tell you, every time me I pass here, so a good one.
Right. Dripping, dripping, dripping. Yeah.
KamRaze, capture the experience.
Behave yourself, no man. Back again for another mission, another journey. And right now, on my way to where? Yalas me a head go. But me not telling you where me a go yet, you know, so here one. I go stay tuned if you see and know. Alright, so KamRaze family, everybody, big up on yourself, you know. And thanks for the support. For always watch the video, comment, everything, man. Big up on yourself, bless up on yourself, man. You see it? Woo! Look at this view. Look at this view. Wow. Look at that. People tell me you don't love that. Whoa. To tell you the truth, I don't actually know where I'm going, to be exact. I looked at the Google Maps before I leave home, but I'm not using no GPS. So I'm going to stop and ask again, because I just stop and ask somebody where is, and the lady told me that I am a far away from it. So why? It's a journey, man. I mean, I tell you, I'm really enjoying it, and it's been years since I've been this side of Jamaica. Whoa, this is bringing back memories. Yeah, man. So stay tuned, you know. Yeah, catch when I get there. Green ocean. Jaja. Oh, look at that. This view. Wow. Yeah. It's a nice thing, you know. You can just get up and just leave out and come see this, you know. Wow, this is beautiful. Look across there. Oh, phone. Work with me no phone, man. I am also. Chacha. Paradise, you know. Look at that. See, me can't step. Oh. Oh, so it's an actual beach down here. Chacha. Yes, and this is where I'm at, you know. Out in the hills. You know. There, man. Behave yourself. So I'm telling you, you know, stay tuned. They're on the journey. You heard me? Yes, over there now. Make us start. Whoa, over that side. The rocks. Yeah. Right now, I'm the outer Russell. They have the local famous spot over there, waterfall. I'll show you in a few. But right, look at the view. more rocks out here so you could walk out there. It normally stay like this. But look at the water, wash it wet. Ella, I wash the sea, wash the stomach rock them. I said you stay here? Oh. Sure. Come on. Yeah. So right here, so now, where's the place name? Russell Rock Fall, you know, there, you know. And this are the general spot, you know. Anytime you want Irish mash, anything natural, root strings, all of them stuff there, you know. But it's Dr. Seed, yeah. Dr. Speed, oh, yeah, which is right. Molasses, everything. Honey.
Good Irish mash.
Good Irish, see it here? See it here, I just buy one, you know. May I tell you, every time I pass here, so a good one I pass now. But every time I pass, I have to stop to get one of this. Real deal. May I tell you, so you drink this, come like you never want food for you. Yeah, you never want no food for you when you drink this. Yeah, man. Yeah, you know. So I general this, you know, anytime you pass through, you know, see man, just check him out, you know, give him a support and a strength. Yeah, man, one love, you know. Yeah, real. Last time I was here, all of this was empty land and the entire look back there. The entire place. Wow, go on this one. Yeah, finally reached. You see it, as you can see in the background. There's the waterfall. Yeah, took me a while, a whole heap of stopping and beer things, you know. Yeah man, but right now, so we test out the water and see what go on. And the place over there called Grandpa Fall, you know. Yeah. All the way in Yala St. Thomas, you know. Enjoy themselves, you know. And I'm vlogging at the picture. Yes, so Are the fish them that? Hey, them not stop follow my foot. Yeah. No man, what about? Yo, them not leaving with alone. Yo, we got. Yo, no man, them fish are dangerous. Cha-cha. Oh, just a feed the fish them some tree tricks and may I tell you the fish them are deal with it away. We talk about that fish them are did my foot away a while ago. Me have to run out of the water, literally run out. The fish them are hungry. Hungry bad. Hey, let me put up a sign. Let me put up a sign say must bring food to them. When they have come, must bring some food to them. I'm gonna pull them belly. I want them now, I'm them not buying me. Them belly full. Yeah. That's how the fish them hungry. So the fish them attack me. People them up there start show some things in life, man. I tell you like piranha. No, right, that's all. Yeah. I tell you, so the fish them, no, not less than 1 second, the fish them done it. Quick. Grimy, brother, grimy. I'm more fast up the side there, or down the side there. I'm more fast. Oh, way up. Oh, so we have to walk around this. Sun come out. Sun at blaze right now. Time hot. I take a little stroll. Go up the river. See. Oh, I heard that you have another waterfall somewhere up the side here, but I don't think I'm going up here. As you can see, it's somewhere around the bend or not sure. It's somewhere up the side there. But yeah, to the water here, everything nice. Just see a sneeze. See? Snake and river snake a while ago. Just a while ago, right over the sun. See does a swim and go so now. I don't know which fish. Which fish swim like that. But you tell me if you don't know. Fish swim and go in the whatever, the bush or whatever you call that. So. But no. Fish are swim like this. So this is the other side, as you see, I'm kind of create a barrier right at this point so that people can swim in this area. But I'm going to take you down on this side so you can see what else is there to explore. Because you have to remember, it's a river, so it most likely travel for a long distance. So, whoa, whoa. Wait. Whoa, watch out. So nobody no come down here, so. Whoa. The water here deep. Whoa. Look at this deep. Yo. Yo. Oh, wow. Oh, it's a nice pool of water this right here, so. Look at this. Look at this background. I'm going to dive right here, so. Whoa, look at this. What's the from the side here? And the river stretch go all the way around to the bend. Who knows how far it continues. But I guess I'm stopping right here. Hey, trust me, there's a lot of fishes in this water. No joke. Whoa. Yes, going to take a little swim right here. Test on the water. Put on my goggles. Darkers. Woo! Crazy. See the water actually. Quite easy. That's what me I say. Alright, now the Miko. That part is deep. Yes, you gotta know what you're doing. Well, can simply say it gets KamRaze stamp of approval. You have some nice spot where you can go and chill out, easy, relax, and all of those stuff, you know. Water deep here, so you know. Yo! Yeah, differently. Want to give some shout out and some big up. You don't know, big up Rock 4 TV. Always check in, always tune in. Big up yourself, bro. So, may I beg of my people, just go over to his channel and give him a support. Check out his videos, like, share, comment, all of those good stuff. You know what I say? Yeah man, give your boy a support and let him know KamRaze sent you. You see it? Yeah man, bless up on yourself. And also I want big up Roger. You see it, always a tune in. He also has a pest control company. Definitely check him out on IG. Yeah, TikTok as well. I think he's on Facebook too. Just check him out, man. Big man thing, you see it? Next, big up Outer Space Boss. You see it? Yeah. Who else? Big up Rosie Boss Lady. You can check her out on Instagram and on TikTok at Rosie Fashion Ground. Yeah. So she sells jewelry and so forth. You can check her out on those platforms. Who else may I miss out? Everyone who check in all the time, viewing the videos, liking, commenting, big up on yourself, may I tell you, I really and truly appreciate the support and the love you guys have been giving me to continue. So just continue to like, share, comment, and support and all of those good stuff. Yeah, and give me the motivation to bring you more videos, even though this is something I truly love to do. So it's a passion. Yeah. But big up on yourself, man, may I tell you. Love from my heart, you hear that? Fully. One thing though, water for. When I leave, yeah, as I was saying, one thing though, the rocks are slippery. Yeah, very slippery. Yeah. So I was going to stay for a little bit longer, but I guess it's time to go now. I'm a long way back home, so I guess it's time now. I'll take a last look. I'll take one more look, I should say, as I might come back here. Yeah. So, stop and eat some food. Stop at a place we normally stop at when I was coming in this direction. But really and truly, look at the view. Yeah, so I'm going to have some food right now. Get some food in the system. And then head back on the road. It's time to head home. You see it? Remember, if you're here, please remember to like the video, share if you can, comment if you can. Bless up.